Hello, everybody. Today we will continue to study the Chinese 中国针灸学, Chinese acupuncture and the Dispersion. Yeah, this is Gary. This is Dr. Fu. So we continue. Okay, last time we talked about the 13. Let us go to the chapter 13. Last time we talked about the cause of problem, the reason, have the six, the
exogenous
factors.
Six exogenous factors.
Yeah, six exogenous factors, and the seven emotions, and the diet, and the rest and the tire,
overstrain,
and the outside damage,
traumatic injuries,
traumatic injury,
yeah.
And some bite you or damage you from the animal.
Yeah, insects and wild animals.
And 痰饮和淤血.
Stagnant blood and phlegm fluid.
One more time,
Stagnant blood and phlegm fluid.
Phlegm fluid. Freeze and flu, basically like that, right? And phlegm
fluid, yeah.
Phlegm fluid. Yeah, this translates actually very hard to understand because it causes a problem with your body. But this all is the most important. Chinese say the 人体致病因素很多，总共可以分为六淫、七情、饮食、劳役、外伤、虫兽所伤以及痰饮、淤血等。Okay, we already talked about the six
exogenous factors.
六淫, six exogenous factors. We talked about two already. Last time we studied the first one, wind. Wind is 风为百病之长. Basically, every problem connect with the 风. And 风为阳邪，其性开泄. So basically, in the upper body and the headache, the sore throat from the outside go inside. Also the wind, it's easy change, and wind, it's very easy moving you. So if you have the shaking, dizzy, twisting, that's all it's a 风，就是风性煽动。如果你有震颤啊、眩晕啊、四肢抽泣啊，都和风有关系。Okay, then after that next one will be the summer.
The wind and then cold. Number 3, the next one to talk about is summer heat.
Summer heat. Okay, I read Chinese first. 我先读中文。第三个致病的因素，second one is 寒 with cold. Cold is easy damage your yang, and cold is stop you, kind of block you to cold. The 寒为阴邪易伤阳气，寒性收引凝滞。Okay, the third one is summer heat, 就是暑。为夏季的主气，暑邪与其他外邪不同，具有明显的季节性，独见于夏季。炎热夏季气温过高，或烈日之下露天作业，或者工作场所闷热，每易感受暑邪而发病。一、暑为阳邪，其性炎热；暑邪为火热所化，其性炎热，故为阳邪。暑邪侵体后，多表现为明显的阳热症候，比如说有高热、烦渴、汗出、脉红等等。第二，属性生散易伤精气，生散即上身发散， 暑邪伤人，上犯头部，可出现头昏目眩。由于暑邪有发散的特性，侵蚀人体后可以使腠理开泄而多汗。若开泄太过，汗出过多，则会耗伤津液，出现口渴喜饮、唇干舌燥、小便短次等症。同时，由于开泄太过，往往气随津泄而致少气懒言、肢倦乏力等气虚的症状。若暑热之邪扰乱心神，则会发生突然昏倒不省人事的中暑重症。第三，暑易夹湿，夏季炎热多雨，气候潮湿，故人体在感受暑邪的同时，往往兼杂湿邪，因此暑邪为病，在发汗烦渴的同时，也常见头晕且重、胸闷、呕恶、食少、便溏、肢体困重等症。Okay, the summer heat.
Summer heat is the predominant qi of summer, and unlike the other exogenous factors, is only seen in its own season. Summer heat diseases are induced by excessively high temperatures, overexposure to the blazing sun whilst working, and working or staying for too long in poorly ventilated areas. Summer heat, characterized by extreme heat, is a yang pathogenic factor which is transformed from fire. Clinical manifestations characterized by yang heat include high fever, restlessness, thirst, profuse sweating, and a surging pulse. Summer heat is characterized by upward direction, dispersion, and consumption of bodily fluid. It usually affects the head and eyes, causing dizziness and blurred vision. Due to its dispersing function, pathogenic summer heat may cause the pores to stay open. The excessive sweating that causes may consume bodily fluid, resulting in thirst with a strong desire to drink, dry mouth and tongue, as well as scanty yellow, deep yellow urine. In addition, there will be symptoms of qi deficiency such as reluctance to speak and lassitude. Severe invasion of summer heat may disturb the mind, resulting in sunstroke with the symptoms of sudden collapse and coma. Since summer is often characterized by high humidity, pathogenic summer heat is frequently combined with pathogenic damp. Clinical manifestations of summer heat and damp include dizziness, heaviness in the head, suffocating sensation in the chest, nausea, poor appetite, loose stools, and general lassitude, in addition to fever, restlessness, and thirst.
The summer heat, basically, it's a heat. If you have the fever, everything, that means the summer heat. And also, it's a lot of time, most special, they call the 中暑. In the summer, if you stand outside, the too hot and sweat, then you maybe throw out. You not die, but you kind of pass out even.
Pass out.
Yeah, so this is especially in the summer because the too heat, your water all come out. So when that's happen, you should keep immediately lay down and put your head a little high and drink a lot of water and of course when you pass out, first it's a 人中 is here. Press on it, wake up you. That's important. When they wake up, then drink some of the salt water and keep the fresh air. Throw your body, maybe your heat a little going down. Drink more water. That's regular. It's help. And the dampness with the heat. That is a very special too. That is often you can see you nauseous, you dizziness and heavy. That's a lot of time. It's a heat with the dampness. Because the dampness is heavy, they made your body have the dampness in your body. The spleen work a lot very well. So when you go to the poo-poo, you will feel in your poo-poo it's sticky. It's very sticky like that. So basically this three special, it's a heat and the going up, easy, lost the water, liquidment, and the third is with dampness. This is a summer heat. Okay, next one Chinese called the 湿为长夏的主气，长夏即夏秋之夜，天气炎热多雨，湿气最盛，此季节中感受湿邪而发病者多。此外，阴雨连绵，住处潮湿，淋雨出汗，湿衣未有及时更换，或者职业关系经常接触水湿，都容易导致感受湿邪。一、湿邪重浊，重即沉重和重浊，污即污秽。湿性重浊，湿邪侵害人体后，多见头晕、头昏且重如裹布紧，身体沉重如负重物，和关节弹痛重浊等。湿性秽浊，治病后可以出现分泌物、排泄物等秽浊不清的症状，如肌肤苍痒、湿疹流水、带下黄白亮多、腥秽、小便浑浊、地下脓血。二、湿性粘滞，粘滞及粘力阻滞，湿邪治病，在症状上可见胎力难化、大便粘力不爽、小便色力不利等，在病程上往往连长，缠绵难愈，比如浊闭、温湿、湿疹等。第三，湿为阴邪，易阻气机，损伤阳气。湿为阴邪，易阻爱气的正常运行，造成气机不畅，而见胸闷脾满、小便短涩、大便不爽等症。脾喜燥而恶湿，故湿邪尤易伤脾阳。脾阳受困，运化不见，水湿不注不布，可见脘腹胀满、食欲不振、大便溏稀、尿少水肿等症。Okay, dampness.
Dampness. Damp is the predominant qi of late summer, the period between summer and autumn, which in China is a hot, rainy season with abundant damp everywhere. Many diseases related to invasion by pathogenic damp occur at this time. Damp diseases may also be induced by living in damp conditions in places, wearing clothes made damp by sweat or rain, frequent exposure to water, and periods of prolonged rain. Damp is characterized by heaviness and turbidity. Patients often complain of dizziness, a heavy sensation in the head as though it had been wrapped in a piece of cloth, heaviness of the body as though it were carrying a heavy load, and soreness, pain, and heavy sensations in the joints. There may be turbid discharges from the body, such as suppurating sores, weeping eczema, profuse purulent leukorrhea with foul odor, turbid urine, and stools containing mucus and even blood. Damp is characterized by viscosity and stagnation. Patients affected by pathogenic damp usually have a stubborn, sticky tongue coating, a viscous stool that is difficult to excrete, and obstructed urination. Diseases due to pathogenic damp tend to be prolonged and intractable, such as fixed beat syndrome, damp fever, intestinal thyroid, and eczema. Damp is a yin pathogenic factor which impairs yang and easily obstructs qi circulation. Clinical manifestations include a full sensation in the chest, epigastric distension, difficult and scanty urination, hesitant bowel movements with viscous stools. Since the spleen likes dryness and dislikes damp, pathogenic damp is likely to impair spleen yang, leading to distension and fullness in the epigastrium and abdomen, poor appetite, loose stools, reduced urination, oedema due to poor transportation and transformation and inadequate dispersion of bodily fluids.
The tablets, it's kind of very hard to understand because in America, maybe you not pay attention with the tablets, especially in California. California is best for the tablets because most California's the summer, a lot of sunny. So that is help everybody. That's why the old people, if they live in the California, they should be get a longer life because when the older people first young, a little bit weak, and the second older people, the body when you're older you're feeling heavy. That's all connect with the tablets too. So if you in the California a lot of sunny, that's made you a little dry with here, so not too much tablets. If you have tablets, you will have more trouble with it. But tablets have some special, like the tablets, you feeling the heavy. And if you get a lot of problem with tablets, very hard to heal because they always stay with you, comes, goes better and worse, better and worse. It's hard to change. And also tablets, it's will block you the qi, will damage your yang. That is basically like me and Gary. Or it's we get a little tablets with block our qi, our spleen, the yang a little bit weak. That's why we have the tummy. If you have big tummy, if you easily feel tired, that means you get the tablets. That means your spleen a little weak because the spleen yang weak, then will cause like this stay here, you know. So, and also you're feeling here a little heavy and you're feeling the poo-poo, stool, it's sticky. And even the water in your body, flow, water. The last one, it's what? The
inadequate dispersion of bodily fluids.
Yeah.
So the bodily fluids are not moving like they're supposed to.
Yeah, bodily fluid and also too much water in your body, that's swelling, right? Yep. Swelling. Yep. That is or it's a tablets cause it. Basically, the tablets, it's very hard to fix it. And that's why that's regular take a longer time, take care of it. That's why everybody, if you get the big, easy, or the big tummy, it's hard to change small. That is but very soon we will change small. We will doing fasting again. Okay, so I think enough for today for this. You have anything to say, Jeff? You want to ask some question?
No, I agree. The fasting seems like the perfect solution to what you were just talking about.
Yes. Yeah. The fasting basically principle is to wake up your body, the hiding the energy. They heal, made the body heal by yourself. And the tablets not means too much water. You drink a lot of water, you take out detoxing your body. Same time, they bring out some of the tablets too. And also when you do the fasting, if you stay with the sunny, get more sunny, that's always give you more energy and help you the tablets get out some too. So
the dampness is like moisture in your body basically, and you're trying to get rid of that because that's counterproductive.
Kind of like somebody always grab you, you know, the tablets, it's a very difficult totally get out of it.
Right.
You get out of it one part of time, then a little while they come back too, you know. So that's why the tablets like this, they stay with you. That's why lose weight is so difficult for somebody, because you easy get the tablets. First, of course, you control your diet, you sports, that's all help. But somebody, example like me and Gary, we both seem like we have tablets type the body. We spring already a little weak, not enough the yang can take care of your tablets. That's why if you doing the fasting, because everything totally changed, restart your computer. So that moment your yang with your spleen or any other organ, they work a little better. So they get a new balance. So restart your body. That's why you're always feeling better. If we restart few times, then maybe you already get back like much more close to the normal like that. Otherwise, if you don't control this is a bad circle. When we eat more, then you get more depthness, basically. We overeat because your body needs more energy, go to the digest, go to use energy moving on everything. So you save a little more depthness in your body because your body already too heavy. But when we do fasting, we reverse because we drink a lot of water, we take out everything and use we're working on it, and everything gets digest with our fat, everything get more clear, so everything will be better.
Yeah.
So that is our plan. We will continue doing it one more time. Okay, so today to here for the study. So right now we will do Tai Chi. I hope
Thank
we
you.
have enough time.
Yes.
But no problem, we can do a faster one. We will finish at 8 too. Yeah, every night we will do this.